Hello humans, and welcome to Plants Per Serving. If this is your first time here, go ahead, subscribe, and ring that bell so you know when the new meals are dropping. Stick around to the end of this video, got a pretty sweet giveaway going, and you don't want to miss out. Alright, today, pass or fail, vegan biscuits and gravy. We're just kind of making this up as we go along, so we'll see what happens. I'm going to use coconut oil, the solid kind. I'm going to take half a cup of that, spoon it in there. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes while I do the rest of this stuff. Grab a big bowl, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put all those together, give them a quick stir with a little fork, to make sure that it's nice and blended, and then we're going to get our coconut oil out of the refrigerator, and then I'm just going to kind of pinch off a little half spoonful at a time and be very cognizant of keeping small little pieces throughout this flour mixture because we want it to kind of act like butter would in real biscuits. Today we're using a cup of almond milk as our liquid element. And then we're just going to get to stirring this up. And mine turned out a little bit too moist. So I'm going to take some tapioca flour. Click here if you want to learn all about that. Tapioca starch. Ooh, which is it? I don't know. We're going to stir it up. Keep adding slowly until it gets to like somewhat of a wet mixture dough. Now because I'm lazy and we're just figuring this out, I'm going to do these as drop biscuits instead of rolling them out. And then we're going to do 425 for 12 to 15 minutes. Moment of truth. I don't know. These are pretty flat. I'm going to go ahead and say that this is probably a failure unless we're trying to make sand dollar ornaments for Christmas. They do look nice and brown, so let's go ahead and break one open and see what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, that's actually kind of like a nice biscuit. And once I actually tasted this, it tasted nice and kind of buttermilky, almost like a buttermilk soda biscuit combo. So we're not going to give it a complete failure because we're just going to put some leftover gravy on here. Go ahead and click here for that recipe. And we're going to have some nice biscuits and gravy. And it's actually pretty good. So we're going to give it a B-, but because it's vegan, it's going to get the letter grade bump up to an A-. All right, let's get into the giveaways. Thug Kitchen 101. We're going to give one of these away at the 500 subscriber mark. So comment below if you had these and you liked them as much as I did. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell, and we will see you again next time. Thanks, y'all.